Thematic analysis is a qualitative research method used to identify and analyze patterns within a dataset. It involves systematically organizing and interpreting data to uncover underlying themes or patterns of meaning. This approach is commonly used in disciplines such as psychology, sociology, anthropology, and education to explore complex phenomena and gain deeper insights into human experiences. Here's a detailed explanation of thematic analysis within 700 words. 1. Understanding thematic analysis. Thematic analysis is a flexible and versatile method that can be applied to various types of qualitative data, including interviews, focus groups, surveys, and textual documents. It does not rely on a specific theoretical framework, making it suitable for exploring a wide range of research questions and topics. The primary goal of thematic analysis is to identify, analyze, and report patterns or themes that emerge from the data. 2 steps in thematic analysis. A. Familiarization with the data. The first step in thematic analysis involves becoming familiar with the data. This includes reading and rereading transcripts, field notes, or documents to gain a comprehensive understanding of the content. B. Generating initial codes. After familiarization, researchers begin the process of coding. Coding involves labeling and categorizing segments of data based on their content or meaning. This step helps in breaking down the data into manageable units and identifying potential themes. C. Searching for themes. Once coding is complete, researchers search for overarching themes or patterns across the coded data. Themes are recurring ideas, concepts, or patterns that capture key aspects of the dataset. Researchers may use software programs or manual methods to organize and cluster codes into potential themes. D. Reviewing and defining themes. After identifying initial themes, researchers review and refine them to ensure they accurately represent the data. This may involve merging similar themes, clarifying definitions, or reorganizing the thematic structure. E. Defining and naming themes. Each theme is then defined and named to clearly articulate its meaning and relevance to the research question. This step helps in creating a coherent narrative that links the themes back to the research objectives. F. Writing the thematic analysis. The final step in thematic analysis is writing a detailed report or narrative that describes the identified themes, provides supporting evidence from the data, and discusses their implications. This narrative often includes quotes or excerpts from the data to illustrate the themes and enhance their credibility. 3 types of thematic analysis. A. Inductive thematic analysis. In inductive thematic analysis, themes emerge directly from the data without imposing preconceived categories or theories. It is a bottom-up approach that allows for a more exploratory and open-ended analysis. B. Deductive thematic analysis. Deductive thematic analysis, on the other hand, starts with predefined codes or theoretical frameworks. Researchers apply these codes to the data and then identify themes based on existing concepts or theories. C. Reflexive thematic analysis. Reflexive thematic analysis emphasizes the researcher's reflexivity and acknowledges the subjective nature of interpretation. It involves reflecting on the researcher's biases, assumptions, and perspectives throughout the analysis process. 4 Challenges and considerations. Thematic analysis offers several advantages, such as flexibility, accessibility, and depth of understanding. However, it also poses challenges that researchers should consider. A. Subjectivity. Thematic analysis is inherently subjective, as it relies on researchers' interpretations and judgments. Researchers must remain aware of their biases and actively engage in reflexivity to ensure the credibility and rigor of the analysis. B. Data saturation. Achieving data saturation, where no new themes or information emerge from the data, can be challenging, especially in complex or large datasets. Researchers should carefully consider sample size and data collection methods to address this issue. C. Interpretation and trustworthiness. Ensuring the trustworthiness and reliability of thematic analysis requires transparency, consistency, and peer review. Researchers should document their analytical process, seek feedback from colleagues or experts, and justify their interpretations with clear evidence from the data. 5. Applications of thematic analysis. Thematic analysis is widely used across disciplines and research contexts. Some common applications include exploring the experiences and perspectives of marginalized or vulnerable populations, examining themes and patterns in qualitative survey responses or open-ended questionnaires, analyzing textual data such as literature, interviews, or social media content to uncover underlying meanings or discourses, identifying trends and issues in organizational data, such as employee feedback or customer reviews. In conclusion, thematic analysis is a valuable qualitative research method that enables researchers to uncover and interpret meaningful patterns within their data. By following a systematic and iterative process, researchers can gain deeper insights into complex phenomena, inform theoretical frameworks, and contribute to evidence-based practice and policy.